Welcome to everyone. I'm Dr. Godun Raman, Department of Mathematics, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Katanglutur. We have discussed with application of stochastic process and recent research work. Here I have mentioned some application of stochastic process, queuing theory, scheduling, finance, banking, inventory model, computer network, wireless communication system, telecommunication system, cloud computing, Internet of Things. Queuing theory is a powerful tool for modeling many practical applications such as packet switch network, telecommunication network, production line and so on. Queue everyone is experienced. For example, we are waiting in traffic jam, we are waiting in the supermarket to check out, we are waiting in the ATM, passport office, everywhere we are experienced. Then why the queue is formed? The main reason, demand for the service. What is the demand? The shortage of available server. There may be a space limit to the amount of the service that can be provided. Queuing theory answer two questions. How long must customer wait? How many people will form in the line? I just tell you very simple answer what is the queuing theory. Queuing theory equal to media. What is the media? Nowadays media is a powerful. For example, TV, newspaper, radio and online is a YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, everything is a media. The media is not solving any problem is directly, but it's showing what is the problem, where is the problem. What is the use of this? Some person who is the responsible person, the person to involve to solve the problem immediately, or they are given the assurance to talk to solve the problem for some more time. Okay, so this is the power of the media. Same thing, queuing theory answer two questions. How long must a customer wait? How many people will form in the line? Characteristics of queuing theory: arrival pattern, service pattern, queue discipline, system capacity, number of service channel, number of service stage. Here the customer is not a human, is a general term. For example, an aeroplane waiting in the line to take off. Here aeroplane is a one of the customer. Okay, and then arrival pattern of the customer: batch, bulking, reneging, jockeying. What is a batch? More than one customer to involve to get the service is a batch customer. Bulking customer, just consider ATM. Okay, in this ATM, suppose the queue is very long. Okay, the customer decide not to enter the queue. This type of customer is bulking customer. Reneging customer, customer enter the queue, but after a time loss, then the customer decide to leave the service area. This type of customer is reneging customer. Jockeying customer, if two parallel line, if one customer, suppose the two parallel line, the customer waiting one line, the other line is moving fast, the first line customer jumping to the other line. Okay, again the first line is moving fast, again the customer jumping to the first line. This type of customer is jockeying customer. And the service pattern of the service: if the system is empty, the service facility is idle. And service may also deterministic or probabilistic. Service may also be a single or batch. One generally thinks of one customer being served at a time by a given server. But there are many situations where customer may be served simultaneously by the same server. I tell you one example. Server is well experienced person is very important. Otherwise, the queue will be formed more. Okay, simple. I tell you, any shop, bookshop, I just consider bookshop. I'm just asking one book name, a fundamental of queuing theory, Grass and Harris is available or not. Suppose the shopkeeper is experienced person, immediately they are informed to me the availability level of the book, what is the price, what is the offer, everything immediately they are telling to me, and I'll pay, then I'll receive the book. Otherwise, if the new person, then he don't know what is the book name. Okay, then what he's doing, he's depending for the other shopkeeper. He's going to ask the book availability and price and other discount, everything to depend on the shopkeeper. Suppose this bookshop is a famous one, or this book's available only for this bookshop, I should wait, otherwise I'm just leaving the bookshop. Okay, so this is a very important for the service. Okay, and then queue discipline. What is a queue discipline? First come first serve, last come first serve, random selection service, priority. What is a first come first service? First, who is coming first, he is getting first service. This type of form is first come first serve. Last come first serve. who is getting the loss is get service first. For example, I given here the bangle. Okay, the bangle is what? The lost bangles only removing the first. This is a loss come first service. And the random selection of for service. In this situation, queue is not formed. This situation, queue will not form. The main reason is some doctor get appointment. Okay, one person getting 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. So in this situation, we are getting the appointment before itself. Therefore, the random selection service in here, the queue is not formed. And the priority primitive and non-primitive. Okay, the primitive is nothing but the customer with the higher priority is allowed to enter the service immediately if even a customer with the lower priority is already in service when the higher priority customer enter the system. Non-primitive, the highest priority customer goes to the head of the queue but cannot get into the service until the customer presently in the service is completely, even though through this customer has lower priority customer. Okay, then system capacity, we have to consider finite capacity, infinite capacity. For the some room, for classroom, we can consider only 50 students allowed. This is a finite capacity. Or anything is auditorium or general open space. This is only for infinite capacity. And number of service channel, single channel, multiple channel. If only one counter is single channel, more than one counter is multiple channel. For example, supermarket, ticket counter, anywhere we are seen for the multiple channels. And service stage, single stage, multiple stage. Whereas single stage, if the customer arriving for service, get the service, then leave the service area, this type of stage is single. Multiple stage, we can see this multiple stage: account opening, medical history and canteen. How is we are involved here? Medical history, just first stage, I'm just going to meet the doctor. The doctor, I'll inform what is the problem. Then doctor given some maybe they are given for suggestion to take for blood test or any scan or anything they are given. So I just moving for the other stage to take the test for the blood, and then getting the payment. After payment, I am receiving the report. Then again the other stage to meet the doctor. Then the doctor looking for the report. After that, he saying that some prescription is given. Then I am next stage, I move on to the medical shop, then I get the medicine, then only I am leaving the service area. This is a multiple stage level is moving for the medical history. Then some Kendall notation. Still now I mentioned what is the characteristic of the queuing system. Okay, here inter-arrival time, service time, number of servers, system capacity, queue discipline. This is only involved for the Kendall notations. Queuing model, probabilistic, deterministic, mixed. When the arrival rate and service rate already we don't know, that is an uncertainty situation, is a probabilistic model. When both we know already, then is a deterministic model. Mixed model, if any one rate, arrival rate or service rate only we know already. So this is a mixed model. Then other application is scheduling. Scheduling is a decision making. The main aim was to allocation of the process on machines. Many of the research are considered the following level of the decision making, such as short, middle, long term and control plan. The customer are expecting as follows: the quality of the product, the attractive of the product, the safety environmental, the truthful product, etc. Due to the excessive competition in the marketplace, every manufacturing industry is fit to exist in the competitive environment with all the measures to provide various products at comfortable price with better quality. To improve the schedule based on the optimization of performance measure, such as total alertness. What is alertness? If the product is moving for late, okay, max pen is nothing but is a completion of the timing. Earliness, we can complete very early for the your product. So this unavailability period of the system. So here I mentioned that single machine scheduling. So a single machine, single process, that is a meaning one machine n job. Parallel process, m machine n job. Okay, in this situation we have to fix both the non-identical, identical. Identical is nothing but time. Okay, the time speed. The time speed is a unique, is a idle, and then here the time is a different timing. So different timing speed is a non-identical. In non-identical situation, the time is different. The product is a similar, okay, same product and is a uniform. When unrelated, it's a different job. different product, different timing. Okay, this is a unrelated parallel machine. That's only I mentioned here what is a single machine, what is a parallel machine. So what is a identical, what is a non-identical, and what is a uniform, what is a unrelated one. Okay, then I given some example. See this example, scheduling I consider manufacturing or production. Okay, in this situation car, for example I'm taking for the Hyundai company or any other company. In the company here in our India, they are assembling only for the product. Okay, that is a parts. Okay, in this part each and every parts they are providing to small company. The company is doing some production for the, suppose here headlight, bumper, so everything individual product the small company they are manufacturing. After completion of the product they are sending to the Hyundai assemble area. Then after collection of all the product, all the parts, then only they are ready to start the assemble work. Okay, so this is a scheduling process, decision 1. Okay, then financing. So where is the financing? Here Brownian motion, the realm of financial asset pricing borrow heavily from the field of the stochastic calculus. The price of the stock tends to the follow Brownian motion. What is the definition of the Brownian motion? A stochastic process W of t is said to follow Brownian motion on time duration 0 to t if it satisfies some condition. So W of t, when the time is 0, then it should be 0. W of t is almost surely continuous. For a arbitrary timing t1, t2, t3 etc. up to tn, where the time is increment independent, is a mutually independent. In other words, it is a process with independent increment. The mean value of W of t is 0. The process W of t takes on normal distribution density around its mean. More specially, expectation when you are taking the time difference, it will be coming for the t of k plus 1 minus tk. Okay, so see here, consider one of the example for the financing. I just consider here last 10 years I am just calculating the gold rate. Okay, for the gram. So 2011, before that the rate around less than 2000, but now 2020 is reached 4500 range. Okay, so this is the only we are calculating some duration of time, we are calculating collection of data for the INR rupees. Okay, that is a financing application. An inventory model. Inventory is defined as any idle resource of an enterprise. It is stock of goods, commodity or economic resource that are kept for the purpose of future business affair. Inventory may be kept in any form: raw material in process, finished product, packaging and spare and others. Stock in order to meet the expected demand. It is important to maintain some inventories for the smooth functioning of enterprises. Suppose a firm is not maintaining inventory, if the sale of order comes, it has to purchase the raw material required. Wait till this arrive and then start production. This increase the waiting time of customer to get the delivery goods. Here is to see inventory example. The first example I mentioned that the first point, goods are delivered. Okay, goods are reviewed, sorted and stored, and inventory level are monitored. Wow, how many product is there, what is the product is necessary, what product you want to purchase, and storage, everything we can discuss with the inventory. Stock order are placed, a stock order are approved, and because of when I'm just given the stock, when they are approved, goods are taken from the stock, so to take out the inventory level or updated. So see the supermarket, they regularly some supervisor checking for the product level, so how many product is sold, how many product you want to purchase, so everything we have to discuss with the stock level. So low stock level, try purchasing immediately. Okay, this is the inventory model. Then banking also we are applied for the stochastic process. For the here recently we are applied mobile banking, net banking, ATM and everything we are applied for the some duration of calculation timing, data collection for the some online. Okay, so this is a banking sector, we apply stochastic process. And computer network, simple example I tell you for the call center. So call center, the customer care want to call to the person, so this moving for the network to connect with the service provider, and so moving to the internet or wireless to connect with the laptop to contact to the mobile to other customer. Okay, so this is some duration of the time to signal to transfer one place to other places is a call center network diagram I given here. Computer network, one of the example stochastic process. And wireless communication system, nowadays everything is changed using the broadcast satellite. So in our TV, so the previously we are using for the cable. Okay, for nowadays the dish, we are using dish for the TV. So any purpose of education or the house purpose or any other purpose, we are using for the wireless. So the communication moving for the wireless. Okay, and the telecommunication system, so suppose I call to my friend, how to transform. Okay, so now I'm calling to my friends, the call is analog to digital conversation to change the encoding. After encoding is a modulation, after modulation is a multiplexing, and then multiply access to doing for that, then is moving for channel, one channel to other channel, that is a tower, one tower to other tower, then again they are multiple access to contact, then deplexing, then demodulation, decoding, then only to reach the other, my friend. So talking to the signal to reach one place to other place is a telecommunication network. Some duration of the time the data to calculate. Then what is the next? Cloud computing. Cloud computing means storing and accessing data and program over the internet instead of your computer hard drive. So nowadays cloud computing very much of important because of the reason space, because of storage. If mobile, you just consider in my mobile only 4 GB or 120 GB RAM or one storage, means when the storage is filled, then the system will be locked or moving very slow. But you just think the Google, Amazon still is not get the speed is not reduced. The main reason, the Amazon, Google having more the lot of size of cloud, they are storing cloud. Okay, so that is the main thing. You just go and see for any mobile or any email, now they are mentioned that the free some 5 GB cloud is available here, or if you paid monthly some amount, we can provide some more space for the storage. So that is the only Google mentioned. So in this last decade, the Google has built the worldwide network of the data center to service its search engine. It's doing this, so Google has captured substantial portion of the world advertising revenue. Okay, the revenue has enabled the Google to offer free software to user based on that infrastructure that has changed the market for user facing software. Amazon Web Service, correct? One of the most successful cloud based on business is Amazon Web Service, which is an infrastructure as a service offering that lets you rent virtual computer on Amazon own infrastructure. Okay, so other this is see, so we are maximum they are using cloud, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter. So everything storage is in cloud. Future cloud is very important. Okay, then Internet of Things. Recently, internet application developed demand is very high. So IoT is a major technology by which we can produce various useful internet applications. Basically, IoT is network in which all physical objects are connected to the internet through network device or router and exchange data. IoT allows object to be controlled remotely accessed across existing network infrastructure. IoT is very good and intelligent technique which reduce human effort as well as easy access to the physical device. This technique also has autonomous control feature by which any device can control without any human interaction. Things in the IoT sense is the mixture of the hardware, software, data and service. Things can refer to a wide variety of device such as DNA analyzed device for environmental monitoring, electric lamps in coastal waters, Arduino chips in home automation and many other. This device gather useful data with the help of various existing technology and share the data between other device. Example includes home automation system which use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for exchange data between various devices of the home. I tell you what is a simple smart city. What is a smart city? Suppose I am just going for the house and to enter the house. Before the enter the house, the signals is moving to the house. I'm just moving. The data is the measure in my house door to observe my eye or any thumb. Okay, so in this mention, immediately the door open immediately. Then I'm just entering. I'm just sitting the sofa. Then some duration of time, so taking time. Immediately when I'm sitting in the sofa or any table or bed, immediately the fan is switched on. Okay, after that, if you want coffee, okay, this time you are drinking any coffee, then the message moving for the coffee maker, then the coffee prepare immediately, then it's coming with reach you. Okay, so this is a smart city. Then other important for the health mention. For example, suppose you are the maybe you are the any heart patient or any disease you have, you are in house, some watch or anything we can data to analyze. Suppose using the watch, okay, some smart watch, so you having, so in this watch your heartbeat, it's receiving the heartbeat. Okay, suppose you are in the critical situation, then immediately the watch to receive your heartbeat, then the message to send to the doctor to check through the watch what is the level of heartbeat, what is your case emergency level. Then immediately, suppose your emergency, the message from the doctor is moving for the ambulance. Or suppose the person is maybe is a medicine acceptable level, then the doctor to send message, from the doctor the message is moving for the medical shop. The medical shop to deliver medicine direct home, already the stored for the bank card, credit card, debit card, everything already stored. So the payment is received from this card, then the medicine moving to the house, then the house, then the person to take the tablet, maybe the problem is solved. So this is a very much of easy for the solving problem IoT. In future, IoT is a very important one. Okay, now I'm going to discuss with the my research work. This research work, retail queuing system with a bulking, optional service and vacation. This paper is published Annals of Operation Research in Springer Publisher, Impact Factors 2.284. After that, some more of author they are given some extension of from this work. Okay, so what is a retail queuing system? Queuing system, I mentioned that a powerful tool modeling, communication network, transportation network, production line, operating system. So reason here, computer network, a data communication system, fastest growing technology, which have led to significant development in applications such as with advanced in internet, audio data traffic, video data traffic, and so on. What is a retail queuing system? Retail queuing system, nothing where if customer arriving for service, then the server free or busy. Okay, when the server free, then customer receiving service immediately after service completion, the customer leave the service area. Suppose the server is free busy, then customer wait some more time, he's joined the orbit. So this is a retail queuing system. When the retail queuing system is an optional service, when the customer after completion of the first phase of service, they are taking the second phase of service is an optional service. They are desired to join the second phase or leave the service area. Then vacation model. Okay, so what is a vacation model? When orbit empty, the server taking the vacation. Okay, suppose after service completion, after vacation period, when it's completed of vacation, then server return to the system. Okay, so we have to mention here some more vacation model: single vacation, Bernoulli vacation, multiple vacation, modified vacation, working vacation. Okay, in this paper I have considered for the single vacation. See, this is a overall my model. Here the customer arriving for service. Okay, the new customer arriving for service. Suppose the server busy, then the customer leave the service area or join the orbit. After some random of time, the customer again trying for the service. If suppose the server free, the customer get the service immediately. After service completion, the customer to join the second phase of service. Okay, after completion of the first phase of service, the customer join the second phase of service or leave the service area. Okay, what is the next one? When the orbit is empty, then the server take the vacation. After completion of the vacation period, the server return to the system. So what is a vacation? Is a maintenance. Okay, so maintenance period, for example, in computer, so we can take for some virus scan activation. Okay, the virus scan, or some product, the vehicle, car, bike, we are given to the service before the breakdown. Okay, so that is the only for the vacation process. Okay, so this application I applied for the practical model. Email system, simple mail transfer protocol used to deliver the message between the mail server. On the remote machine, a mail transfer program contacts the server for TCP connection. When the TCP is connected, programs of SMTP allow the sender to identify itself, specify a receipt, and then transfer email message. When the sender deposits the email in his or her own mail server, the mail server repeats continuously until the contact message is delivered. In the mail server, the contact message follows the Poisson process. When the message arrives at the mail server, one message is selected to the serve and the rest will join the buffer. In the buffer, each message waits for some amount of the time and retries the service again. Okay, the mail server employs the spam filter service to prevent spam mail clocking. This is done to filter the incoming message through the normal mail receiving service. To keep the mail server functioning well, some maintenance activities are needed. For example, virus scan is an important maintenance activities in the mail server. When one maintenance activity is finished, the mail server execute to another maintenance activity or enter the idle state and wait for the new arrival of the message. The reason for the proposal of the model to design program to collect the information of the contacting the message. In this scenario, the buffer in the center mail server, the receiver mail server, spam filter server, and the normal mail receiving the service, the retransition policy and maintenance activities corresponding to the orbit server, two phase of service, the retrial and the vacation policy respectively in the queuing terminology. Here I mentioned for the some balanced equation. So look, first equation, what is the mention? The first equation, the system is idle, the new customer arriving for service. So is a balance mean the right hand side what is mentioned, when the vacation is completed then the server return to the system. What is the second equation is mentioned? If n number of customer in the system, when this n number of customer in the system, no arrival, no retrial. And what is the next is mentioned, next equation what is mentioned? Two phase of service. Okay, zero customer but two phase of service. When the two phase of after completion of the first phase of service is joined the second phase of service. In this situation, no arrival, no service, only zero customer, so is a two phase of service. And B, 1 minus B. What is a 1 minus B? When the customer is not joined the queue is 1 minus B probability. When customer joined the queue is a B. Okay, that is I mentioned that for the next equation. See, this is the next equation I mentioned that probability of QIN. So that is I mentioned that n number of customer, two phase of service. Then or what is the other cases? No arrival, no service, so n number of customer already there, two phase of service. And n minus 1 customer is here. One customer when he is joined in the queue, then is a n. It changed with n minus 2 en, so system is n number of customer. If n already is there but the customer is not joined the queue, then is a balking customer of type. Then vacation. Okay, so next steady state boundary condition I mentioned. What is the boundary condition? Initial state. For example, now I just plan to start Chennai to Vellore. Okay, but what is the starting point? You are mentioned that I'm just asking what is the kilometer for the to reach the Vellore. Someone maybe 200 kilometer, 400 kilometer, someone says that. I tell you that still now I am not mentioned what is the starting point. Suppose I mention starting point in the Chennai. Chennai is where which place, because many bus stop is there. Okay, in SRM we have three places to get the starting point. So this is a boundary condition. Boundary condition is nothing but the starting point. I mentioned here n number of customer and the vacation model. After completion of the first phase of service, when he joined the second phase of service, we can take the P or leave the service area. The normalization nothing but total probability is 1. Okay, Then what is the next? Using this to solve, I'm just using the balanced equation to solve the supplementary variable techniques. We have to use many techniques available for the queuing system, embedded Markov chain, and when the Markovian, this is a non-Markovian, so I use for supplementary variable techniques. Then you want to learn something technique, a continuous fraction method, matrix geometric method, embedded Markov chain, and probability generating function use Laplace transform. So everything we have to learn. Okay, first we can find out probability generating function, number of customer in the orbit, and number of first phase of service, second phase of service. Okay, then vacation model and probability of no customer in the orbit. Then to find the generating function, number of customer in the system and in the orbit size. So I mentioned already what is a performance measure. Queuing theory answers two questions. One is how many customer, how long wait. Okay, so here the mean number of customer in the system to find LS using for the previous probability generating function to substitute here to get the value mean number of customer in the system, and then mean number of customer in the orbit. Orbit is nothing but is a waiting space. So customer when the will not get the service, they are waiting in the some point, that is a orbit. Okay, here I mentioned some special cases. What is a special case? So when I have extend some work to give some value, then it's reduced to the previous model. Okay, here B nothing but bulking. P is a second optional service. So we can remove the second optional service, then the service bulking, to remove the bulking, then it's reduced to non-Markovian single retrial model for Krishna Kumar and Ariudinambi. Okay, then what is the second case? When vacation should be 1, that bulking is 1, no second phase of service, then is model reduced to the other model. Then again the vacation model you give vacation model tends to 1, and bulking is a B equal to 1, P equal to 0, we can reduce to other model. So this is a way for the finally we are getting for the MG1 queuing system. Okay, some numerical example I mentioned that. So this numerical computation I solve using the MATLAB program. So I just compare with the performance measure number of customer in the orbit. The comparison is number of customer in the orbit, and then what is the second phase of service. So I should increase the arrival customer. When the arriving customer to increase, then the orbit number is to decrease. Okay, then I compare with the new arrival and number of customer in the orbit. When second optional rate is increased, then we can decide what is the level, is a decrease or increase. Here is the decreasing. So again same thing we can compare with the retrial queue and the orbit. Probability of 0 customer in the orbit when we are increasing the second optional service. Again also when we are increasing the new customer arrival rate, then what is the maybe the curve to decrease. And the next one, number of customer in the system. Okay, so number of customer in this system to compare with second optional service, new customer to arrive, and then retrial rate to increase the value of joining the customer and second optional customer, and then new customer to join the case. This is a two-dimensional graph. Then I should consider also for the three-dimensional graph, again to compare with the probability of 0 customer in the orbit. Okay, this is orbit level. We can find out the orbit mean number of customer in the orbit to compare with the new customer and retrial customer. Also for the second optional customer and retrial customer. Then I compare with the second optional service and new type of customer. Okay, then second optional customer, new customer for the number of customer in the orbit when we are increasing the values. Okay, similarly we can find out for the mean number of customer in the system to compare with new customer, retrial customer, second optional service and retrial service. Okay, then customer joined the maybe the customer joined the service and second optional. So new customer or some customer is leaving the service area. This type of is a bulking customer to consider for the mean number of customer in the system. Okay, and future work. So future work we can just used for the multiple server retail queuing system because of very much of interesting multiple, because nowadays where everyone using more number of server, still now the single server, two server, three server they are using, but multiple server very less paper they are in the publication. Okay, so you try to do for some multiple server retail queuing system, then just my students are doing for the queuing system with cloud computing. Queuing system is a communication system, queuing system is the IoT, so production, manufacturing. So recently is a very practical application of this type of problem. So if you are thinking in future work, you can do this related queuing system with this type of application. Very much of interesting problem, we get the result. Okay, so this is my future planning. So any queries you send to my email, mobile, WhatsApp, I'm immediately I'll tell to your queries answer. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.